In Surpass Cloud, you can use the Patron Maintenance function to either set accounts to inactive, advance student patron types, or change the expiration date of all active patrons. You can set the patron account to inactive if the expiration date is on or before a certain date, or if there's no borrowing activity on or after a certain date. Another thing you can do is to advance student patron types. For example, advancing grade 3 to grade 4. This is handy at the beginning of the year. And as you can see, it advances all student patron types for all active patrons. You'll be able to see the date that this was last done in the Patron Maintenance screen. You can also change the expiration date of all active patrons. Another way to advance grades is to go ahead and create a file with the updated grade information and import it into Surpass Cloud, making sure that the Update the Existing Patron Record with New Information radio button is selected. If you're importing a file that has last year's grade levels, you can select this box instead. Advance the grade levels of imported student type records. Please contact Surpass Support if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thank you for watching.